Okay, thanks everybody. Welcome to day 2. Just going to quickly run through the sort of admin for the day. As you hopefully have already discovered, the change of lecture theatre means we're having all of our breaks and lunch in a different place as well. So hopefully you've already found it for breakfast. Is up the stairs. It's called the Osler Room. So that's where all of the breaks, all of the lunches are going to be happening. Unfortunately, we can't use the garden area today because they've got the tree surgeon coming. So that we can't use. But tomorrow we'll be able to use outside again. Oh, sorry, these have all got a bit messed up. But everything's the same as yesterday, so we'll just skip through this very quickly. Just to remind you that everything's being recorded and it's all going to be put online for you. You've got all the login for the website, and that's going to be available so you can re-watch all of these lectures again in your own time. If you haven't got that, if you've lost the login details, just let me know and I'll sort that out for you. The recordings usually take about 2 weeks because we've got to obviously prepare the videos and stuff, so by sort of early July that will all be uploaded for you. It also has the handouts on that website. If you haven't got connected already yesterday, just very straightforward, click on either of the RCP Wi-Fi IDs and then you just enter your email address and you've got free Wi-Fi. So this is what the website looks like once you log in on the Video on Demand tab. So once you click the Video on Demand tab, then you have this link will download the handout, has everything in it, so it's like a huge, massive download of files. We will be preparing the PDFs of all of the slides you've seen this week. We'll upload those next week. And then you have each lecture will have its own video thumbnail. The handouts, we've got loads of stuff in there from peer-reviewed papers, book chapters, magazine articles, lots of protocols. We've got a file just that goes through our surgery instruments, for example. But to point out the main things for today, there is the Presbyon Practical Guide, which has a lot of what's in the slides sort of written out in a book format, essentially. And it also has, you'll see later when Glenn shows you this, the Presbyon Refraction Simulator. So it's something that you can show to use with patients. You'll see that later. And then there's some other calculators like a Zernike conversion spreadsheet, because you have to be able to switch between OSA notation and Malakara notation that's used in the Presbyon software. And we have also the ocular residual astigmatism calculator. But we'll see all these as we go through the lectures. The Smile book, we're going to be handing those out tomorrow because with the Smile lectures, but also gives us a chance, hopefully, to sign them all for you. So bear with me. You will be getting the book. That'll be coming tomorrow. Another reminder that you do have the CME points, but like I said yesterday, there is a test that you have to do after the course, and you please remember to fill in the evaluation form, and then we'll be able to send you out the certificate with those 26 CME points. So all of that will be coming to you by email. And finally, just a reminder again about Sunday. It's very complicated. Sorry for the sort of complicated nature, but everything's sort of running in parallel. We've got lectures here all morning. We have lunch afterwards as well, so anyone who wants to hang around can grab a bite to eat afterwards. In parallel, we've got the wet labs and the manifest refraction workshops going on at the clinic. And then in parallel as well, as Glenn was saying, he's going to be doing his Glenn on the sofa thing if you want to go and chat to him. So I've had lots of people ask me about wet labs. Hopefully I've arranged everything for you guys. If there's anyone else still who wants to sign up and hasn't been able to, please come and find me or send me an email and we'll arrange that for you. And I think that should be everything to move into today. So today's another very packed schedule. Just again, if you want to ask questions, please just raise your hand. We've got the microphones at the front, so we can bring in and answer questions as we go. So please feel free to do that.